Part 1 Grading System. Direction: please refer to the DepEd Order number 8, Series 2015 to complete the tasks below. A1. Write the DepEd learning area in grade 1 to 10 that is aligned to your specialization. Science grade 3. A2. List the assessment component and the weight of each component under the task learning area in items 1. Writing work 40%, performance task 40%, quarterly assessment 20%. A3. Compute for the quarterly grade of the 3 learners and complete the table below using the given data. Question: which of the 3 learners got a passing grade? The learners B and C got a passing grade. The learners B got 85 and the learners C got 77 of grade. A4. Download the available e-class record for the learners area in the items number 1. Accomplish the e-class record using the data in number 3. In case there is no available e-class record, construct your own e-class record using Excel.
Direction: please refer to DepEd Order number 8, Series 2015. Complete the task below. This is the link. And number 1 question: write the DepEd learning area that aligned to your specialization, if there is any. Research. Number 2, list assessment components and the weight of each component under that learning area is in item number 1. Written works 35%, performance tasks 40%, quarterly assessment 25%. And number 3, compute the quarterly grade of 3 learners and complete the table below using the given data. And number 4, download the available e-class record for the learning area in item number 1. Accomplish the e-class recording using the data in number 3. In case there is no available e-class recorder, construct your own e-class recording using Excel. Direction: the DepEd Order number 031, Series 2020 to complete the task below. Number 1, write the DepEd learning area in grades 1 to 10 that aligns to your specialization. Science grade 3. Number 2, list assessment components and the weight of each components under that learning area is item number 1. Written works 50%, performance tasks 50%. And number 3, compute the quarterly grade of 3 learners and complete the table below using the given data. And number 4, download the available e-class record for the learning area in number 1. Accomplish the e-class recording using the data number 3. In case there's no available e-class record, construct your own e-class recording using Excel.
Number 1, write the DepEd learning area in the senior high school that is aligned to your specialization. Research. Day 2, list the assessment component and the weight of each components under that learning area in the item number 1. Writing works 50%, performance task 50%. D3, compute for the quarterly grade of the 3 learners and complete the table below using the given data. Question: which of the 3 learners got a very satisfactory grade? The learner C got a very satisfactory grade. Briefly describe the approach you use to systematically compute the grade of the learners. The writing works are the 50%, same with the performance tasks. I compute the final grade of the learners to combine with average of writing works and the performance tasks. D4, download the available e-class record for the learning area and items number 1.
FS1 forms school registered description master list of class enrollment to be prepared by class advisor Mode of preparation, Learners Informed System, LIS, schedule, beginning of the school year, BOSY, and as needed. FS2 forms, learners' daily class attendance, description, recording of the attendance absence of tradness template with the name of learners, to be prepared by class advisor. Mode of preparation, partially through LIS and manual, schedule daily. FS3 forms, books of issue and return to description, list of books by title issued to, returned by learners, to be prepared by class advisors. Mode of preparation, partially through LIS and manual, schedule, BOSY and end of school year of EOSY.
F4. Summary. Enrollment and involvement of learners. Description. Enrollment count transferred in out and drop out by grade level. Summary of FS2. To be prepared by school head. Mode of preparation, Learners Information System, LIS. Schedule monthly. SF5 form, report on promotion. Description, list of promoter returned by class. To be prepared by school head. Mode of preparation, Learners Information System, LIS. Schedule monthly. SF6 form, summary report on promotion. Description, number of promote returned by grade level, summary of SF5. To be prepared by school head. Mode of preparation, Learners Information System, LIS. Schedule end of school year, EO.
FS7 forms inventory of school personnel, description, list of school personnel with a basic profile, and teaching load assignment. To be prepared by school head. Mode of preparation, manual or generally designed in Human Resources Information System. Schedule, beginning of school year, BOSY as needed. FS8 forms learners' basic health and nutrition profile. Description, for learners' assessment of body mass index, to be prepared by class MAPE teachers. Mode of preparation, manual or general design in Human Resources Information System. Schedule, beginning of school year, body as needed. FS9 forms, learners' progress report cards. Description, individual academic behavior and attendance report by quarterly formally from 138, to be prepared by class advisor. Mode of preparation, manual. Schedule, quarterly. FS10 forms learners permanent academic recorded. Description, individual academic recorded by quarterly SY simplified and standard from former from 137, to be prepared by class advisor. Mode preparation, manual, schedule, end of school year, SOSY. Now we go into analysis. Answer the following question in number 1. Which is easier to do, manual computation of the grade of student or the use of e-class record, and why? For me, the easier to do to compute the grades of student is used to e-class record because the computations using Excel is so fast easier. When you input the score of the learners or the data, it will be automatically computed the grades of the learners. And number 2, it's important to employ a systematic approach is computing the grades of student. Define your answer. Yes, this is the important to employ the systematic approach in computation of grades of the student because the systematic approach will help us to compute the grades of the student correctly, equal, and fair to every student. And number 3, why is there a needed to accomplish the different school forms? To ensure the quality and consistency of the learners important are among the critical activities conducted to the end of every school year. And number 4, when are the different school forms needed to be accomplished? Why? It is because the school form of every important to school, so that it's very confidential to record in the basis of the department of them to track the down of the records from one student to another. It helps to people it's organized to see if there are any problem or support needed by its body. Now we are going to create a e-class record. Reflection. Answer the following question. Number 1. If you are a teacher, what approach will you use to systematically compute the grades you student? Why do you prepare that approach? We'll use the template of Department of Education that given for computing the grades of student. I prepared this because this is the easiest way to compute the grades of your student and is the automatically computed. And number 2, which of different school forms in the easiest to accomplish and why? For me, assist school forms to accomplish is daily attendance of the learners, and we'll just have to see the behavioral appearance of the learners during discussion. Attach picture documents while doing your task and add caption or description on the photos below. Scanned face that accomplish DepEd forms here. You might use extra page for documents and pictures. FS1 school registered. FS2 daily attendance report, learners. FS3 books issues in return. FS4 summary enrollment and movements of learners. FS5 revision, promotion. FS6 summarize, reportion, promotion, learning progress, and achievement. FS7 inventory schools personnel. FS8 learners basic health nutrition profile. FS9 learners progress report cards. FS10 learners permanent academic records.